In this video, I am going to show you how to view weekly check-in history in MacroFactor. So once you open the application, basically, you should find yourself here in the dashboard. Of course, you'll have to log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create an account. Also, the application is paid if you don't know, so you can get like a free trial for 1 week for $1 if you want to try it out before like doing stuff. So basically, once you open the application and we would like to view the weekly check-in history, you can go, as example, to this strategy tab at the bottom right. If you go and click on it, here as you can see, you'll find like check-in. As you can see for me, I started this program before like 3 days, so I still didn't, or the time of check-in is still not today. So how to view it, as you can see here is it. So as you can see for me, 4 days until check-in. If I want, I'll be able to, as you can see, to click on it and change the goal if I want to change the goal. But how to view it, as you can see, here is it. You'll be able to view it right here, and you'll be able to see also like the coach program. So what you ate on Monday, Tuesday, what's as an example like what remains. You'll be able to edit the program. You'll be able to edit the goal. Here you'll be able to see also your goal history isn't like working or not. And of course, here on the dashboard audios, you'll be able to see how much calories you ate, how much calories like remaining, how much protein gram, how much fats, how much gram of carbs and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. That's how you basically view the chicken history in MacroFactor. Basically, you just go to the strategies tab and scroll down. You'll find here the history basically of your chicken, of your goals and chicken and everything right here. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.